Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aini Azifa binti Omar Azhar, 14 CPP 20F1012. Today I want to present about laser beam machining. For laser beam machining, in this topic we have 5 contents. First, introduction. Second, working process. Third, applications. Fourth, advantage. 5, disadvantage. For introduction laser beam machining is non-conventional machining process in which material is removed from the workpiece surface using heat. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiations. A laser is produced when the electrode and atom of special crystals are energized using electric current. Generally, current crystals are most commonly used in solid-state laser. Laser beam machining is best suited for machining brittle material with low conductivity but can use on almost material. Working process of laser beam machining. Work process. Switch on the power supply. Electricity in the power supply is going flow to xenon lamp. So xenon lamps apply across the flashing or flash tube surrounding the pumping medium. In our case, it's ruby crystal. In ruby crystals, reflection mirror is used to reflect all reflectors back to the crystal. All ruby crystal going to the lens. Lens is used to focus the laser beam onto the piece to be machined. And then the machining can be processed to cutting the workpiece. Ruby crystal is this absorbed energy cause most of the electrons contained in the atom of the ruby crystal to be excited at a high energy level from its ground stance. Application laser beam machining. First, engraving. Second, welding. Third, surface treatment. Fourth, cutting. 5, drilling. 6, shipbuilding, automobile, aerospace, steel, electric, and medical industry. Advantages of laser beam have 4. First, there are no direct contact between the tool and workpiece. Second, it can machine both conductive as well as non-conductive material. Third, there is no tool wear as in conventional machining process. 4. Complex shafts of different sizes can be machined as the laser can move in any path. Disadvantage of laser beam machining have 3. First, it requires a lot of energy for machining process. Second, very low rate of material removal. Third, the lifespan of the lamp is short. So, that's all about laser beam machining process. Thank you for watching.